Hey guys, I hope you all are doing great. Welcome back to another DIY content. So today, what we are going to be working on is fixing a broken plastic chair. So as you can see, one leg of my plastic chair got broken, and yeah, as a DIY content creator, so I saw this as an opportunity to fix it and make a video out of it. So first things first is to apply hot glue like you saw I just did, so and attach it to back to the base of the chair. So I just apply the hot glue around the surface and then just press it back onto the base, right? So after that, you're going to be seeing the material that I'm going to be using, which is very simple. So just the lighter, as you can see, and also the candle wax. So the idea behind this reset is to actually melt the candle wax right on to the broken edges, like you can see. So I'm just going to melt a little and then just rub it on the broken edges. So I will just continue this process around, just make it go round, basically make it go round by just doing it to all the broken sides of the chair. So just sit around and enjoy. So the next step is going to be a little bit intense. So this is where you get to melt more of the candle wax, right? As you can see, so you can see the way it's dripping, right? So you melt a lot of the candle wax just to ensure that the gap between the normal part and the part you're trying to fix comes together smoothly, right? So you don't want a situation where you fix a chair today and it's bad tomorrow again. So I took my time, I melted a lot of candle wax on it, and I just tried to rub it on. As you can see, the color has changed to black. So if you did a great job, it is definitely going to show as black, right? So I would just continue this intense process again all around the broken edges. So this is just going to give it an amazing grip, and it's just going to make sure that your chair is well fixed and your chair is strong and you can continue to use it as normal. Alright guys, so the next thing is actually for us to paint. So I'm going to be using a poster color. So I couldn't get the exact shade I wanted, so I just had to make do with what I have, right? So I just dip in my brush into the paint and just rub around the rough edges. So the idea is actually to try to blend it in, but because I wasn't able to get the exact paint, so I don't think I achieved my aim. But anyways, so you can try to get the exact shade so that at least it's just try to blend in a little, right? But we're just going to make do with what we have. So I just painted around the joint edges. So at some point I had to flip it over, so I could also repeat the process for the under part, if that makes sense. Alright guys, so we are done with the chair. So I brought the chair out so that I could test it. I sat on it, I tried to cross my leg on it, I stood up at some point, I sat down back. I was just making different movements just to be sure that the chair had a good grip, and trust me, the grip was really amazing. Like, it was really strong, and it was a very nice and fun project to have done. So see you guys in the next DIY content. Bye bye.